Hello guys, it's me Anna. I'm very excited to share my room decor tutorial with my YouTube family. Now I transform my empty room into my dream bedroom. From unboxing the furniture to assemble the bed piece by piece, this is the full journey. Securing each piece tightly, this part took a little time, but seeing it come together was so satisfying. Once the frame was set, I added the headboard. It gave the bed such a bold and elegant look. Then I carefully laid the mattress on the top. This is where the comfort beamed. With the bed in the place, it was time to decor. Soft bedding, pillows, fairy lights, and my favorite cozy touches made all the difference. I wanted this room to feel warm, welcoming, that truly mine. And here it is, my dream bedroom finally complete. Yahoo! It's amazing how every piece came together to create something I absolutely love. Now that the bed's done, it's time to move on another important part of the room, the TV console. Everything came flat packed, so the first step, unboxing and laying out all the pieces. I started by putting together the base and sides. This part took some patience, but once the frame was in place, it all started to take the shape. Next, I added the shelves and drawer straps. I love that this console has storage perfect for keeping everything TV and organized. Once everything was tidied and aligned, I gave it a quick clean and placed it against the wall. The final touch, setting the TV on the top. Next up, the wardrobe. This was a big piece and it came in several parts, so I started by unboxing everything and laying it out to make sure I had all the pieces. I began with the main structure, the side, the top and base. It's always a little tricky getting everything aligned, but once the frame was secure, it already looked impressive. Then came the shelves, hanging drawers and internal compartments. This step really made the wardrobe feel functional. I planned it to fit both everyday clothes and special items. Once the inside was done, I attached the door. I went with a sleek modern design that reflects the light beautifully and adds a touch of elegance to the room. With the wardrobe fully built, I had fun organizing my clothes, accessories, and even adding a few standard stitches inside, little things that make it feel extra special. The wardrobe is not just storage, it's a statement piece in the room. Functional, stylish, exactly how I pictured it. Would you like me to now combine all these three sections: bed, TV, console, wardrobe? Everything came together beautifully. It's not just a room anymore, it's my personal space to relax, recharge, and feel at home. What's a dream bedroom without a beautiful vanity? I have always wanted a dedicated space for my skincare, makeup, and a little self-care routine, so this was an exciting part of the setup. I started the unboxing the vanity pieces and laying everything out, double checking the instructions and hardware. First I assembled the base and leg, making sure it was balanced and stable. Next I added the tabletop, then mounted the mirror which came with soft LED lights instant glowing up. Then I added the drawers which I will use to store makeup brushes and other essentials. I also placed a few accessory organization to top, keep things pretty but still easy to reach. To finish the setup, I added a cute vanity chair, a little terry with perfume, and a touch of decor like a candle and a frame cute I love. The next piece I tackled was the dresser, simple, functional, and a total must-have for extra storage. As usual, I started by unboxing.